Hey everybody, I'm James and welcome to another episode of Cooking from Camp. So today Paul and I pulled into a campground that had a very special deck and dock on a lake and a view, and so I'm trying to make something special so we can have a nice dinner considering the environment. So today I'm making what's called a one skillet meal, which is great for camping because you make one messy skillet and that's it, so it's easier for cleaning up. Even though we have full hookups, it's just a lot easier to clean up, use a lot less water, a lot less resources. So I will first show you the ingredients. So as per usual, we start with cooking wine. Oh yes, cooking wine. It helps the cooking process, and you got time, right? You're camping. So here's what our ingredients are going to be. Here's the salmon. This is actually a naturally grown salmon with no colors or anything, so I'm not going to do too much to it. I'm going to begin by slicing up some vegetables. I got red pepper, got some tomatillos from the market today, garlic, spinach, lemon juice, of course, just my olive oil. And have you had this dill pickle mustard from Trader Joe's? That's going to be what I'm going to finish the salmon with. I'm going to finish the vegetables with a balsamic, actually it's a fig-infused balsamic vinegar, so that'll be tasty. Little salt and pepper on the salmon, that's about it. So the process is I'm going to slice and dice. The firmer vegetables need a little bit more time in the skillet, so they're just going to go in first. Just a couple 3 minutes, because I'm going to put the spinach on top of that, the salmon on top of that, cover the lid and just let it go. The garlic will go right before the spinach. And then just a few minutes before I'm done, I'm not going to turn the salmon, so it'll be kind of like a poached event, really. So I'm not going to turn the salmon. A few minutes before it's done, I'll squirt a little mustard on there and let that kind of heat up, and that'll be the meal. So let me get started dicing and slicing. I'll get to the saute pan, and let's eat. Don't forget, always cut things that cook about the same rate, the same size. Garlic will be fast, and that's at the end. It's very tiny. All right, everybody, I got the slicing and dicing done. I basically have chopped up some garlic roughly, the tomatillos, all even sizes, and here's the red pepper. Salt and pepper on the salmon, just to let it be that. And I didn't mention before, the spinach, I love buying this ready to wash, ready to made stuff because it's ready to go. It also, again, great for camping because you're not rinsing and washing and everything, and it's ready to go. So I've got all my ingredients sliced and diced. I'm ready to go outside and set up my cooking area. And let's see, I think it's time for cooking wine. I'll see you outside at the saute pan. So I like to cook outdoors on this induction burner that we have when we have electric shore power. Saves on our propane. So I've got a nice heavy-duty skillet there. I put in the tomatillo and the pepper, saute them a few minutes. There, let's see, there goes the garlic, and got the spinach on top, and I'm going to add just maybe a dash of water. There's that beautiful balsamic vinegar. Salmon goes on top. Put the lid on and just let it sit and steam and cook. Checking it every now and again. I want to give it a small little toss. Oh yeah, got to turn on some music and dance a little while things cook. It's looking pretty good, and I got to put out the mustard right there on the salmon. Remember when I said we had this super special campsite on the water with the dock and with the deck? Check this out. This is where we're dining to tonight. Voila! The finished product. One skillet meal. Steamed, but poached, what you want to call it, salmon. And the spinach and the red peppers and the tomatillos make that creamy, nice. There you go. High protein, low fat. Good meal. Oh, of course we have the wine.